2013, and those are our baby runner ducks. Here they go. And their aunties are taking care of them. To teach them what bugs to eat. And they're very protective of them. Auntie calls them, or mother, I can't tell. And then they all run after her. Look at she's getting frantic. Talk all day long. Very good bug eaters. Ticks. All kinds of bugs. Things that eat my roses. Things that eat the fruit trees. They love Japanese beetles. Thrips. Up, here comes the other auntie. Bringing up the rear. Yeah, one ahead, one behind. So good. Amazing. Never stop talking. It's a pleasure having them.